Welcome. This video is to help you navigate through your Canvas course and get started with your homeworks. Again, if you have not watched my introduction video, please go ahead and do so. You have to go over your home tab, your syllabus tab, and now let me go ahead and click on your modules. Again, your syllabus tab has all the information that you need. How many tests are going to be in this class, what will be dropped, what will not be dropped, and what percentage is your test, your discussions, your assignments, so on and so forth. So make sure you do that. So to start with the course, you are forced to do your modules step by step. You can't bypass them. So when you click on module 00, it's going to force you to go over all this information. So in the first module, for the first week, you have to complete your module. You have to do your orientation quiz, your orientation introduction. Again, orientation introduction is right here. You have to click on it and it's going to give you detailed description on how to introduce yourself, what are the requirements. Orientation quiz uses a Respondus lockdown browser. This quiz is a preparation for you to take your test. So I want you all to go ahead, download Respondus. The course uses Respondus lockdown browser. If you're not aware of it, click on Respondus rules here, right here, and you'll have all the information that you need to know about Respondus. Once you take your orientation quiz, I will go back and check at your quiz just to make sure I can see your table, I can see your not all the surroundings, but just the table, the video is clear. I always can see my students' shoulders and I'm just making sure Respondus does not flag you for cheating. So this orientation quiz is a very, very, very important. Again, you have due dates for all your assignments. And when you click on your course calendar, I highly recommend syncing that with your personal calendar just so that you don't miss any due dates. Now that's for your module 00. Now let's go ahead to the course information. Course uses textbook called Newton Alta Platform. It's an artificial intelligence. It is mastery based. And let me click on it. So again, you will go step by step. Once you complete your module 00, the course will automatically take you to module 1, where you will read over the overview of the module. You don't want to chat with me, you don't have to. You can move on to the next one. And the first thing you'll see after chat with me is your first homework for the course. I'm going to go ahead and click on student view so you can see how it looks to you. Okay, so this is the information. Some homeworks have notes, some homeworks have videos based on what I think is required for you to be successful in that particular assignment. So here is how the assignment looks. You're going to scroll all the way down and here you have an option to purchase. All you have to do is click purchase. You can buy a monthly plan for $9, a single access term for $40, or you can buy the Alta Pass for 2 years, whichever is appropriate for you. So I'm going to leave student view. And when I scroll down, I'm going to launch this in a new tab and I'm going to look at it as a student. So when I click on it, you will have introduction of the course. You will have videos, you will have the key terms. Make sure you have your pen and paper so you can note all the information. I know you like to copy and paste it on a Word, but having a pen and paper does help you. And once you're done, you're going to click continue and you will start taking your questions. Quick tip, because this is an AI-based homework platform, if you get the first few questions right, you are telling the artificial intelligence that you know the subject and you don't need to be tested on the homework with 50 or 60 questions. So I highly recommend going over the notes, the introduction, and answering as many questions as you can correctly so that you don't have a lot of questions. You might have 5 questions and I might have 50. Again, it's artificial intelligence. Let's just say you got 20% in your homework. You can redo the homework as many times as you want, just so you can get 100% in the homework. You stuck somewhere, you simply click on more instructions. You will not see instructor cheat sheet because this is instructor view, but you'll see more instructions. When you click on instructions, it gives you all the instructions that you need for this particular homework. You will go ahead, click continue and start answering the question. So if I just say click submit, oh, I got it correct. There you go. and I want to make sure I click something wrong, and it's going to say not quite right. And I'm going to click on continue. It's going to explain why it's not right. And that's how it helps me move on. And again, you can take this homework as many times as you want. If you are late, I let you submit 10 days late. But every day that you submit your assignment late, you have a 10% penalty. So highly recommend to go ahead and sync your calendar so you know when the course assignments are due. All the homeworks are available to you. So if you are a student who want to go ahead and finish it, you're good to go. So that's about your homework. Again, please make sure you go over the complete course. So this week you have to complete your module 00 and get started with your homework. Good luck for the semester. Again, any questions, do not hesitate to communicate with me. Again, key to being successful is communication.